yet another Crypto Sensei live stream. Hope you all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. These markers are absolutely ripping to the upside. That is always beautiful to see. XRP mooning out of fucking nowhere. Look at that, guys. Bam! Just a green fucking candle all like to the upside. That's what we like to see, guys. That's what we want to see. This is exactly where we want to be. So big shout out for everybody here, guys. You guys are amazing like always. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Kick. I'm on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No excuses. No excuses not to get my price ranges, guys. If you were in my Discord group, I did send out the signal that XRP was going to have a little bit of a pumpy pump, and we jumped in on that little pumpy pump with a $1,000 trade, and right now that trade is making me about 37%. Let me see if you can see it. Good. A beautiful 37% on that trade, guys. I mean, come on. Where the hell else are you going to get 37% in just a few days? It's just not going to happen, guys. Just got to follow the rules, follow the game, follow how it is, guys. And I'm seeing XRP just going even higher from here. I don't know about you, but XRP looking like it's going to saucy sauce to the upside. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to go in it today, guys. So big shout out for everybody here. Big shout out to Sammy Seal over on the YouTube channel. What's up with you, man? It's all good, all good. You know how it is, just chilling like a villain, taking it easy, little by little, going one step at a time, one day at a time. Trying to make all these gains, brother. There's just nothing else to do in this world, man. You just gotta make gains. Brood Crypto, big shout out to Brood Crypto over on the Twitch channel. How you doing, Brood Crypto? It's all good, you know how it is. Chilling like a villain. What's up with you? What you doing, brother? Tato! Big shout out to Tato over on the Twitch channel. No, he's on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, my man. It's all good, you know how it is. How you doing, brother? How you feeling? How you been? Talk to me, man. What you doing? So it's going good. 24, my man. 24 over on the TikTok channel. Big shout out to you, amigo. How you doing, my man? It's all good. Just chilling like a villain, man. Trying to take it easy. Going little by little. Making all kinds of gains on XRP. You know how it is. Just take it easy, brother. Just take it easy. Let's make it happen, Captain. What's up with you, 24? What you doing? Tato over on the YouTube channel saying, working overtime. Hey, brother, you got to do what you got to do. Work all the overtime you can. It is what it is. Get into crypto and you're gonna understand what overtime means. I don't sleep. It's all 24 hours a day, brother. 24 hours a day. You do what you got to do. Tato over on the Twitch saying, bills are behind due dates, so I need money. Been there so many goddamn times, brother. There's always a light after the end, you know. There's always a light at the end. You just got to push through. Get a second job if you need to. I don't know what you got to do, but you do what you got to do, brother. I am him. Big shout out to I am him over on the TikTok channel. What's up with you, I am him? My man, good, brother. I'm going to PR this summer. 2024. Got permits, I'm here. You let me know. I'll be here, bro. You know, we can hang out. We can go wherever the hell you want to go. 24 around the TikTok channel saying, you think XRP pumping some more after New York City party? 24, come here. Get closer. Come here. It doesn't matter. Just stack up on more XRP. Okay. That's all you got to do, brother. That's all you got to do. Doesn't matter if it pumps. Stack up on more XRP. That's my plan. You do what you got to do, brother. You do what you got to do. I'm stacking up on more XRP. I am him over on the TikTok channel saying, what's good, brother? It's all good, man. It's all good, man. I am him saying, you're going to come over to Puerto Rico on 2024. Let's make it happen, Captain. Dude, if I'm here, if I'm around, we're still doing this, let me know. Hit me up. We can go somewhere. I don't know wherever the hell you want to go. Wherever the hell you gotta want to go. Schmunson's big shout out to Schmunson over on the YouTube channel saying, like your energy, man. XRP for the win. Absolutely, Schmunson. Absolutely. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, man. We are in the best community ever. Everybody in the XRP army. We are many. We are strong. We're going to the moon, guys. Let's make it happen, Cam. Let's go. Big shout out to Chaotic Rage. How you doing, Chaotic Rage? It's all good, all good. Just taking it easy. Going little by little. We're going to give it a few more minutes. Let me see what time is it. We're going to give it like 5 more minutes and we'll start the class. We're going to be looking on these markets. We're going to find out what the hell is happening. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. So smash that like button if you haven't already, guys. Trying to get to all-time highs on this like button. And I can't do it without you guys. So if you can share the link, share the will, share the information with everybody you know on all your social media, I would highly appreciate it a bajillion times over. Trying to grow this channel as much as we can. We're going to try to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark on all of my streaming platforms. Also, guys, do know that I stream on every single platform out there. I am on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Facebook, and TikTok. So if you want to head on over to all of those channels and just subscribe just in case one gets shut down, hey, go right ahead. Do you, boo-boo. So big shout out for each and every one of you here, guys. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. We're going to be talking about these markets. We're going to figure out what the hell SRP is going to be doing. Are we going to double down? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out together. Eric Greco over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Eric. Eric is asking on YouTube, what is the best place to store your XRP to keep it safe? Brother, cold storage devices. EliPal device, right here. One of these bad boys. Go to elipal.com. This is the wallet that I use to store all of my crypto. Okay? Not this one in specific. I got one, stored where not even I can find it. But one of these bad boys. Okay? elipal.com. And if you don't like EliPal for some reason, a Ledger. Ledger.com. Those are the top two. The top two, EliPal devices and Ledger devices. Those are the best ways to store your XRP and any other cryptocurrency whatsoever. Just don't leave it on any platform, Don't leave it on any exchange. Don't leave it on any platform. Don't even leave it on your phone. You can lose your phone. Somebody can steal your phone. You understand? Fuck that. Put it in a cold storage device like this one. The EliPal device looks like an iPhone. And you put it away in like a bank deposit box or or a safe in your house, or you bury it. Well, I don't know. You do what you got to do, Just keep it away from platforms and other people being able to reach for it, It's very simple. It's very easy to steal your cryptocurrencies if you leave them on an exchange, because exchanges can get up and leave with your funds and there's not a damn thing you can do about it, You do what you got to do. Tato over on the YouTube channel saying, I feel chill. Took some stress relief gummies. You know what kind. Haha, brother. A man after my own heart. A man after my own heart. I know exactly what you mean. It's Friday. I don't think I'm going to be doing that today. Maybe on the weekend. I don't know. Let's see if we can chill the fuck out. We can just But prices aren't going to the upside. This is not the time to chill, brother. This is the time to separate and just get super pumped, This is the pump. Follow the pump. More power to the upside. 24 over on the TikTok saying, what happened? What do you mean? What do you mean what happened? Nothing happened. It's all good, brother. So taking it easy, bro. Oh, I heard that New York is being flooded right now. So everybody who can go to the party, I don't know if it's today, right? Today's the party. So today we had an XRP party in New York where people are getting together and talk about XRP. And it's fucking flooded. It just flooded out of nowhere. Oh, you lost connection? Can you guys see me? I don't see a lost connection over here. Let me move this out of the way so I can see the little green transmission. It's green, so you guys should be able to see me. You see me, right? You guys see me on all the streaming platforms? Let me know if you can't see me on one in specific so that I can check it out. But it's green. I'm seeing green all over. Shimon say I can see you. Already you say okay, yeah, good. 24 hours. That takes. Okay, you all good. Okay, perfect. Okay. We're good. We're back. We're good. Let me know if I get disconnected for some reason. I don't know why. Let me get some water and we'll start the class. All right. So let's set up the charts, guys. We're going to go in it today. We're going to figure out what the hell the market's going to do. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? Are we going to... what's going to happen? I don't know. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Trying to grow to that all-time high subscriber mark on all my streaming platforms. So if I can do that without you guys' help, so if you guys can share the link, share the information, share the wealth, I would highly appreciate it with each and every one of you. I appreciate each and love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for stopping by. We're going to have a great show for today, guys. We got a very important show today, guys, because markets are pumping today. We're having a lot of, especially on XRP. XRP is just breaking expectations as of right now. Could see a 60-cent XRP coming right around the corner. I don't know. I can't give you the exact price action, but momentum is to the upside. Momentum is to the upside. So what do we do with that information? We're going to trade to the upside. My trade on XRP as of right now today is making me about 37%. Let me see if you guys can see that. Bam, right there. So this is my XRP trade. I sent that trade over to my Discord group. Some of you guys in the Discord are following this trade, and that is beautiful. You should be earning around 30 to 36% on this trade. Remember to take your profits on the way up, because you just never know. This fucker can flip around anytime and then come back down to the downside. It's better to have profits in your pocket than unrealized gains. You know, make them realize them, you know, realize them. Put it in your pocket. For me, since I don't give a fuck about my money, I'm going to leave this trade open. Do whatever, you know, I'm going to leave it open. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we're going to go to all-time highs. I don't know. I'm going to leave it open. It's just $1,000, you know, it's just $1,000. Juju! Big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. Sensei in the house. Big shout out to you, Juju. What you doing, Juju, man? It's all good again. You know, just chilling like a taking it easy. Also, guys, I want to remind you that if you have any assets that you want to look at in specific, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my technical analysis on whatever coins you want to look at. Okay? It could be any asset. It could be stocks. It could be Forex. It could be crypto. Whatever you guys want to talk about. This is a crypto-centric channel, but if you guys want to talk about anything else, you can go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I would do my best to do my TA, technical analysis, on whatever asset you want to look at, okay? Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you, and we are going to go into it. All right, guys, let's start the class. Let me lower the music a little bit. Is the music too loud, guys? Let me know. There we go. That's a little better. You can listen to me better. There you go. Big shout out to 24. Thank you for that share over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, 24. All right, guys. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these macros to see where we're at. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. And if you have any questions whatsoever, any comments that you want to say, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do any technical analysis that you guys want to do. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin. Okay, everything follows Bitcoin most of the times because Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is number one. So Bitcoin drives the markets. Okay, so we have to pay attention to Bitcoin. I know that you might be in love or engaged or married to some other coin, but you gotta listen to what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, Bitcoin is king for now. For now, it doesn't have to be that way forever. You know, it could change. It could get flipped by XRP soon. I don't know, but for now, Bitcoin is king. So we're going to look at Bitcoin first, okay? And I always look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. What does it mean when you look at Bitcoin on the daily chart? That just means that every single one of these candles that you're looking on the screen right now is 24 hours long. Okay, each and every one of these candles is a day long. So we're always looking at the past. We're looking at historical data to figure out patterns. And those patterns, you need to be able to learn to identify them. You need to know what to do with them and when to do what to do on those patterns. Okay, those are the type of things that you're going to be learning here in the Crypto Dojo. Okay, Crypto Sensei. You're going to learn my trading style that will allow you to make consistent gains like these 30% on XRP. Okay, or any other coin. It doesn't really matter the coin. It all pretty much behaves the exact same way. Okay, So if that is something that you would like to learn and understand and practice with us over here, make sure that you smash that subscribe button or follow button from whatever platform you're looking on me at, so you get notified every time I stream over here. I'm trying to stream every single day at 5 p.m. It's a little bit difficult now in October because it's Halloween time, and I do work on a haunted house. Yeah, we do. We are going to be making a haunted house. So I've been working there, trying to get it up and running. So I've been a little bit busy this month, but I'm gonna try to do my best, and I at least do it once or twice a week. Okay. So just so you get notified, make sure that you hit that follow or subscribe button. Big shout out to the Godfather over on the Twitch channel. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, Godfather. All right, so we're looking on Bitcoin first. Let's find out what Bitcoin is doing. Oh, wait, some of you guys have been writing a little bit. All right, Eric, big shout out to Eric. He wants to talk about some Dero, D-R-E-R-O. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook so that we can talk about whatever coins you want to talk about. You want to talk about Dero? Yeah, we could talk about some Dero. I've never heard about that coin, by the way, so let's figure it out. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel wants to talk about some VThor. We can talk about some VThor. Of course we can. VThor. West Music, big shout out to West Music over here on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. How you doing, my brother? Welcome to the channel. XRP real or fake pump? I think it's a little bit of a little mini fake pump because of the party tonight. There's a little bit of expectations of what the market wants to do or some announcements that they're going to give. It's pretty much is going to be fake, so I'm going to take my profits on the way up. Let me see if we can reach the target price that we're going to talk about today. But today's pump kind of feels a little bit artificial, okay, because of the party. If there wasn't a party or any expectations whatsoever, then I would have told you that it was a real pump, okay? Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel wants to talk about some XRP. Of course, we always talk about XRP, brother. We stick around. We're trying to talk about some XRP. The Godfather over on the Twitch channel saying you stream only on Twitch. No, brother, I stream on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on TikTok. So you can head on over to those if you prefer those. 24 over on the TikTok wants to talk about some EV stocks, Rivian and Lucid. We could talk about some Rivian and Lucid. We could talk about those. Let's figure out what the hell those are going to be doing. MJ23, big shout out to you, MJ. Brother, did you ever get into Rejuve? No, brother. 100% of my portfolio as of right now is on XRP. Okay, so I haven't traded anything else whatsoever. I'm going to give it one more chance for the market to have a little bit of a dumpy dump right before the halving. So pretty much February, March next year, that's where I'm going to start stacking up on a shit ton of coins. Okay, shit ton of coins. Skip, big shout out to Skip over on the TikTok channel saying already covered WSM, Wall Street memes. We could talk about some Wall Street memes. What are Wall Street's memes? I don't even know what that is. Well, we can check with them. Big shout out to Robert Bielik over on the YouTube channel. Thank you for that subscribe. Big shout out to you. All right, guys. Let's talk about some Bitcoin. Bitcoin as of right now on the daily chart. Let's zoom in. Zooming into the last 3 candles over on the YouTube. Over on the Bitcoin. The last 3 candles are what candles? Green candles. Yay! We love the green because that means that prices are going to go to the upside. Momentum is to where? The upside. So green candles. And we have a bullish signal on my indicator right here. Look at that. We have a bullish triangle. More power to the upside. Okay, so we have green candles. We have a bullish signal. And we have a cross of the RSI to the upside right over here. So that is 2 indicators telling me that prices are going to go to the upside. Do we have that cross on the MACD down here? Oops, sorry about that. No, we do not have the cross on the MACD as of right here. Not yet anyway, but it's curving to the upside. Okay, it's curving to the upside. That's what we want to see. Okay, that's what we want to see. We want to see that MACD curving to the upside. This orange line right here, this orange line as you see right here. We want it to curve to the upside. Okay, and cross this blue. Okay, that's all we want to see. When we see that, we have a confirmed price action to the upside. Okay, as of right now, it could be a little bit of a mini fake pump. Doesn't quite seem like it's pumping where I want it to be, but let's figure out our price ranges. Okay, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of this high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our beautiful Fibonacci levels. And what is Bitcoin doing as of right now? We found the support within the 618. That is your signal to going in on a long on Bitcoin. Okay, that was our longing signal. That's when we went long on XRP, by the way. And we held it all the way through because rule number 1 was playing out. Did it find support within the 618? Yes. Rule number 2, did it break above the 382? Yes, it broke above the 382. So what is rule number 3? Take your profits on the negative 382. All the way up here. Okay? Let me zoom it out a little bit so you guys can see it over on the TikTok. So what am I saying? I'm saying that there is a high probability that we are going to get a top on XRP, on Bitcoin at 29,820. So my target price, if you guys went in on a long down here at 25K, is to take your profits at 29,820. Not saying that we're going to go 100% set in stone to 29,000. Okay? If you're in profits right now, hey, secure those profits. You better have profits in your pocket than unrealized gains, that they're not real. That's what the word unrealized means, that they're not real. They're not yours until you close that trade and move it out of your account into your bank account. Okay? If you are in profits right now where you went in on the 618 at 25K and you're trading it at 27K, you better start. You better at least a little bit of a chunk of profits. You understand? Take your profits. My target price is 29,820 for this pumpy pump. Okay? Not saying that we're going to get there, but it's kind of looking saucy like it is. So I'm locked and ready to go, and I'm going to take my profits at 29,820. If it doesn't keep going to the upside, what is my target price getting in? The 618. If it comes back down, we're talking about 25,687. If it comes back down, that's where I want to get back in. We get in at 25,687 and we get out at 29,820. That is what's called my range. Okay? I get in at 25, I get out at 29, enjoy those profits, and we rinse, repeat, and go back in on the next Fibonacci levels. Okay? We do this over and over and over again until we're all millionaires someday. Very far away. Okay? So that is my plan for some Bitcoin action. Getting in at 25,687, getting out at 29,820. We rinse and repeat, and we figure out what the next Fibonacci levels are going to go back in. So we go back in on the 618 on the next cycle, and then we enjoy the profits on the way up. Okay? It's very, very, very important to know and understand that if you have profits, take those profits. Don't leave them there. Okay? This sucker, you've seen it so many times, can reverse at any moment. The volatility in crypto is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, what about if you sell it for USDT? Do you ever trade your profit for USDT? Yeah, you kind of have to. If you're using BitGet, for example, or pretty much any platform out there, they all do the exact same thing, and you're trading futures, you're doing leverage trading, you have to trade with the trading pair of USDT. So whenever you trade, you open a trade, your profits are going to be in USDT, okay? Unless you trade coin futures. If you trade coin futures, your profits are going to be in the coin that you're trading. Over here in the Crypto Dojo, with me, Crypto Sensei, we do futures, USDT-M futures, okay? So our profits are in USDT. It's tagged pegged to $1, so it doesn't fluctuate with the markets, but that also has an inherent risk where USD Tether can go to zero. It can depeg from the dollar and go all the way to zero. We've seen it happen before, especially Terra Luna. Look at US Tether. US Tether depegged from $1 all the way to zero. The USDC coin, unpegged from the dollar, went to 80 cents. USDT, it's in no way, shape, or form is it a safe environment, a safe investment. None of that. It can go to zero. It's just one of those inherent risks that you have to accept. You know, you have to live with it. Turkey 88, big shout out to you, Turkey 88, over on the TikTok channel saying, when do we take profits in the bull run? When meme coins go crazy? I mean, I have a target price on the bull run. I believe the bull run for, this is just my speculative price. This is not written in stone. I don't have a time machine and I can't see the future. But I believe the tippity top of the next bull run is going to be March 2025. Okay. So at around that time frame, if it keeps going higher, it keeps going higher. Okay. I am going to be taking my profits on all the coins that I'll be buying on the next halving, which is March next year. I'm going to hold for a year and I'm going to sell it on March 2025. Okay. That's just sort of the time frame where I'm kind of seeing that this is going to be playing out. If it keeps going higher after I sell, then hey, it keeps going higher after I sell. But you know what? I bought low, I sold high. I'm on profits. I don't care. Okay. That's sort of my plan. Okay. But yeah, good indicator whenever you see meme coins, shit coins, and all those coins that just out of fucking nowhere pumped 100,000% in a day, that's a good indicator to get the hell out of the markets. Absolutely. You saw it before, 2021, the same scenario, 2025, every 4 years. Okay, every 4 years. So for this little short-term trade on Bitcoin, we get in at 25, we get out at 29. Okay. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, nice, I see. Yeah, so you trade your coin. Your gains are in USD Tether. But do make sure that if you have gains, send them to your bank account. Okay? Enjoy your profits. Don't leave them in. You have 30% on a trade, for example, like this one. Let me see if I can find it. Copy trading, futures copy. If you have 30% on your trade, you better close that motherfucker and leave. Okay? It's like going to the casino and you just have a winning streak and boom, you lose it all. It happens so many goddamn times on crypto, my man. We've seen it happen so many fucking times. So I have an order open on XRP as of right now. Come on. And it's banking me 37%. For me, a golden rule, like a top, like a resistance on your trading, take your profits above 15%. With 15%, you cover the fees and you have money. And you actually made money. Okay? Bitget has one of the lowest fee structures out there, so the fees are very low. You're going to take pretty much most of this 36%, like around maybe like 5% on fees. But hey, you walked away with 30% on your trade. Where the hell are you going to get 30% anywhere else? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You know? Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, don't forget to pay the taxes too. Absolutely. I mean, that's a given. We don't give taxable advice over here or legal advice either because I'm not an accountant and I'm not a lawyer either. But yeah, you have to pay your taxes. And it's so simple to do on crypto. You just have to, what's the coin tracker? Was it coin tracker? Coin tracker? I don't remember if that's the, yeah, cointracker.io. You go to this website, see crypto and NFT taxes done in minutes. You can literally link your addresses, your crypto addresses to this platform, and it'll do your taxes automatically. Yeah, it'll do your taxes automatically. This is very important for you guys to do if you're in crypto. You're not going to get away with it. Everything in crypto has a transaction ID, and you can't hide it. You can't hide from crypto. Crypto in the beginning was probably the biggest honeypot ever made for hackers, okay? Because people were doing nefarious activities using Bitcoin, but guess what? When you send Bitcoin from point A to point B, there's a transaction ID that is trackable in public. You understand what I'm trying to say? You can't hide your transactions, brother. You cannot do it. I do not recommend you try to hide your crypto transactions because sooner or later, somebody's going to find you. Okay? Not trying to scare you. It's just the reality, the nature of the beast. Do your taxes. Okay? Whatever state you live in is your taxable income, then the percentage that it depends on where you're living. In Puerto Rico, if you live in Puerto Rico and you import and export goods from here to the States or from the States to here, you can get an Act 60 and you don't pay capital gains taxes. Okay, you still have to report them though. That's very important. You have to report your capital gains. You don't necessarily have to pay anything if you have an Act 60, which you can get with your lawyer, and they can advise you a heck of a lot more than I can, because I have no idea how none of that works. Okay? So, very important. Go to cointracker.io, link all of your crypto addresses, whatever crypto wallets you have, and it'll automatically do the whole, it bought here, it sold here, and this is the taxable income. And you literally give that number. It's just a number, and you give it to your tax expert. That's it. It really is that simple. You don't have to go through every single transaction. Okay, you just download your crypto tax form. It gives you the capital gains of that year, and you pay that. That's your taxable, your capital gains taxable income. Yeah, very, very, very simple. Okay, guys? So no excuses not to get your taxes done on crypto the correct way, okay? So anyway, moving on. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, my wife does taxes, so I'm cool, bro. Hey, yeah, more power to you, brother. You do what you got to do. Ginny Bam, big shout out to Ginny Bam over on the TikTok channel. Where you been? Good to see you, brother. I've been a little bit busy, bro. I'm sorry that I haven't been able to stream all the last 2 weeks of September, and October is gonna be fucking horrible. In October, I am an actor for a haunted house over here in Puerto Rico. So if you guys are in the Puerto Rico area, I'm going to be participating of a haunted house. We did it last year, and it was absolutely amazing. It was fun as hell. Okay, so I'm going to do it again this year. We are working hard on getting it up and running for October 6th. So from October 6th to October 31st, we're going to be doing a haunted house attraction over here in Puerto Rico. Okay, it's called I Dare You. Okay, it's called I Dare You. You can look it up on YouTube, on Facebook, and you can see the videos from last year. It was absolutely amazing. I had a whole lot of fun, and I'm going to do it again this year. So if you guys are in the Puerto Rico area and you want to enjoy a little bit of family fun over on a haunted house attraction, go to I Dare You in Puerto Rico. Okay, I Dare You from October 6th to October 31st. But I'm not being able to stream every single day because I'm there. I'm building. I'm putting the things up, and and I'm rehearsing for what we're going to be doing. So my time is a little bit compromised, but I'm going to try to do at least once or twice a week for October. Okay. I'm going to try to do once or twice a week so you guys can get the information. Okay. Big shout out to Luz Galindo over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. I am him over on the TikTok saying that would be too late. Some pump before others. So you're talking about the meme coins? I'm taking my profits on March. I'm taking my profits on March. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, if you have time, can you cover some Caspa? Oh, we could talk about some Caspa. Caspa was having a little bit of a run to the upside the last time we looked at it. So Caspa is looking quite saucy. Go into some Caspa action. It's getting a little bit warm in this room. Let me a second, guys. It's hot as balls outside. I know that we're summer is over, but Puerto Rico doesn't get that memo. Puerto Rico doesn't give a fuck. It's hot as balls all year round. Let me put the air conditioner a little bit colder. There we go. Thank you. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, my uncle is from PR. I love when he makes arroz con gandules. Bro, don't say that, brother. I'm fucking starving. Why would you say that? Oh, I could go for some arroz con gandules. I can do that. I can do that so well right now. Oh, hell yeah. Big shout out for everybody who likes arroz con gandules. Oh, I'm fucking starving. So, guys, that is my plan for Bitcoin. Sorry for the little bit of a tangent, but that is my plan for some Bitcoin action. Moving on to some Ethereum. Now, if Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum is pumping. What one does, the other one follows. Hand to hand. Bitcoin is king. Ethereum is queen. They go hand in hand. Okay? So, Bitcoin is pumping. Ethereum is pumping. Look at what Ethereum was doing. It found the support within the 618. That was your signal to getting in on some Ethereum action. We talked about it on the last live stream. I told you guys this fucker was going to come back down to the 618 because it didn't break the 382. You can go ahead, go to my last live stream. It's on my YouTube channel and look at Ethereum when we were talking about Ethereum. I told you that fucker was going to come back down to the 618 because it didn't break the 382. When assets don't break the 382, they come back down to retest the 618. So what is your signal to getting in on a trade? When it comes back down to the 618, my target price was 1,577. Here it is from the last live stream. It bounced exactly from there. So that was your signal to getting in on a long on Ethereum. And I really hope that you took advantage of it and you are in profits right now. You should be in a 30% profit on your trade as of right now if you caught it from the last live stream. Okay. Now, Ethereum breaking through the 382. Now it's breaking through the 382 on the Fibonacci levels. Now we need to close above the 382. It broke through. Now we need to close above the 382. The base of the candle needs to be on top of the white line that I have drawn right there. Okay, it broke through and now we need to close above it. Okay, that way it finds support within the 382. The 382 is usually heavy resistance, but once it gets broken, it becomes support and then becomes heavy support. Now, if it closes above the 382, meaning that we, in the next few hours, it's, what time is it? It's 5:36. If by midnight, the next candle is on top of the 382, your target price for some Ethereum action is 1,864. Okay? Do with that information as you may. Whatever the hell you want to do with your money, you trade it however the hell you want to trade it. But if it was me and I was in a trade on Ethereum, my take profit would be 1,864. Okay? If it keeps going higher, then it keeps going higher. We reset the Fibonacci levels. We figure out what the new 618 is going to be, and we go back in whenever it comes back down because nothing goes up forever. There's always going to be pullbacks. Okay? But I don't even have a bullish signal yet. I don't even have a cross of the RSI. I don't even have a cross of the MACD. Okay? So nothing is telling me that this fucker is going to keep going to the upside other than the breakout of the 382. So imagine the potential of getting to 1,864 when we actually do get the signals from every other indicator. So it is highly doable, highly possible. Okay? So you got to keep an eye out on it. If it doesn't close above the 382, then it's going to come back down to the 618. Your entry price would be, once again, for the third and final time, chance at 1,577. You get in at 1,577, you get out at 1,864. Enjoy a beautiful trade and walk away. Okay? That is the plan for some Ethereum action if you guys are in the Ethereum army. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying 3 days ago I got in QNT at 85 and it goes to 150. I'll sell. Got 10 of them. So you want to talk about some QNT? We can talk about some QNT. Let me take out my handy dandy notebook and we talk about some QNT. I know that QNT is in my top tier list of coins to hold for the next bull cycle. So you're doing good by buying QNT at any price, really. Any price. It doesn't really matter. At Wonder6, big shout out to you, at Wonder, over on the TikTok saying pros and cons of doing longs and shorts. I mean, the major pro of doing longs and shorts is that you make money whether the market goes up or whether the market goes down. It really is that simple. The biggest con of doing longs and shorts is the level of risk that you need to assume when you go in those trades. Because you can have the best technical analysis ever done. Okay? Think of it this way. You can have the most powerful GPS in your car, and that doesn't guarantee that you're going to get to your destination without crashing along the way. Because there are elements in the street that the GPS cannot control. What is the biggest element that a GPS cannot control in your car? Other drivers. Okay? TA works the exact same way. I can have the best technical analysis ever in the whole universe. Okay? The most beautiful colors, the most beautiful lines, the indicators are solid. And I cannot calculate other traders. Okay? Other traders can manipulate the price at will when it comes to crypto. Okay? Because there's no regulations. Nobody can stop me from doing shady stuff over on crypto. I cannot calculate for that. The analysis cannot put that as a variable in my assumptions. Okay? But it's the only thing we have. Technical analysis is the only tool we have. Unless you have a few friends with $1 billion that can drive the prices at your favor, that just tell you when to drive, when to long and when to short, because they're going to pump or dump the markets. Hey, more power to you. And if you got friends like that, you better, hey, hit me up, brother. You know, we can make something happen. But technical analysis is the only tool that we have. We have nothing else. Historical data. We identify patterns and then we act on those patterns. But even if we do the best acting on those patterns possible, we cannot calculate other traders. We cannot calculate the behavior of people manipulating the price. We just don't know when. Think of it like a bet in the casino. We just don't know. We can play blackjack we can play blackjack and we know how to count cards and we know we got this on the we cannot calculate when the hell the pit boss is going to take you out of the table. There's variables and there's things, there's actions, there's reactions, there's people responding to the markets, there's news, there's things that we just cannot control every single variable out there, but we can use algorithms, which is what we do with the Fibonacci levels, to figure out what are your best chances to go in and what are your best chances to get out. Okay, it's a game, it's a bet. You know, longies and shorts, they're bets, and they behave the exact same way. You have the same chance that it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Simple as that. You have a 50-50. Okay. What I teach you to do over here in the Crypto Dojo is to figure out what are your best chances to get in. The best chance, the 618 on the Fibonacci level, the one that I have drawn right here. This level right here. This is the bestest best chance. Like, for example, here, if you would have gotten here, you would have been in profits. If you would have gotten here, you would be in profits. Okay. You would have gotten here, you would be in profits. See? That's what I mean. The 618 is the highest demand zone on any asset. Then you want to get in on the highest demand zone. That's when you long on the 618. Okay? And then when do you get out? On the highest liquidity zone, the negative 382 up here. That's where bots and traders out there mostly are going to take their profits. So you do the exact same thing. You get in at the 618, you get out at the negative 382. Wonder6 over on the TikTok channel saying, how are losses calculated on longs and shorts? Do you lose more than you bet? No. Okay, so for example, let's say that I caught the trade. Let's say Let me see, where is the thing? Okay, let's say that I'm going to go in on a long on Ethereum. And I caught the trade right here at the 618. I went in on a long. Okay. What's the first thing that you need to do right after you hit the button? You hit the long, ching, it went in on the trade. What's the first thing that you need to do? You need to set a stop loss. Because guess what? Even with the best technical analysis in the world, other than a time machine, I don't have a time machine. And since I don't have a time machine, I do have a stop loss. The first thing that you're going to set is a stop loss. You see the red down here? You can drag this up and down. Where are you going to set your stop loss, and what is a stop loss for? So that it doesn't go, if it doesn't go your way, you don't lose your entire trade. You don't lose your entire portfolio. If you don't set a stop loss and this fucker decides to dump out of nowhere, you can lose 100% of your portfolio. Okay, especially if you trade with 100% of your portfolio, which is another thing you can do. You don't have to trade with 100% of your portfolio. You can trade with 1% of your portfolio, 2% of your portfolio, maximum 5% of your portfolio. Okay. Once you learn how to put a stop loss, which the way that I teach you how to do it over here is just to put your the previous swing low, the lowest point. These are low points. Those are where your stop losses would be. Okay. Once you put your stop losses, then you need to put your take profit. And what risk reward ratio do I teach you to do over here in the Crypto Dojo? A 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. So that means that for every dollar that I put in, I am willing to lose 50 cents. Or the other way around. Okay? Okay. Big shout out to Venue over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. Thank you for the subscribe. So I put my stop loss right here. What does the risk reward ratio tell me right here? That I have a 4 risk reward ratio. I'm going to drag down my take profit where it says 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. There you go. There. So that means that this trade is either going to make me 3%, 3.21, or it's going to lose me 2.14 on my trade. Now, do keep in mind that when we do our trades, we use leverage also. That percentage is going to get multiplied by the leverage. If you're using, I always teach you to use 5x leverage, then I am either going to make 15% on this trade or I'm going to lose 10% on this trade. Because these percentages are going to get multiplied by the leverage times 5. And the higher you go on that leverage, the riskier this trade is going to be. So I always teach you to do 5x, okay? Walk away with a beautiful 50%. 15%, okay? Hell, you're not going to get 15% anywhere else in the world. It's just not going to happen. Right now, this trade on XRP making me... See how I was 37 when we started? Now it's at 30. This fucker can turn around at any time. Okay, so that's why it's so important to take your profits. Look, it's pulling back down. It's pulling back down, okay? This is why I always say, take your profits. Take your profits. Walk away with your 30% or 15%, okay? We re-rinse. We go back in, okay? But yeah, guys, that's an overview of how we do our trades. Craig's Piva over on the TikTok saying, what's your YouTube name, mate? Brother, my YouTube channel is Crypto Sensei TV. You can go to Crypto Sensei TV. This guy right here, Crypto Sensei TV. Click on that, click on the subscribe, and welcome to the family. Okay. This is where you're going to see all my shorts and my live streams. You can check all of my live streams down here. They're all recorded, and you can see everything. Okay, completely free right there. And that, guys, is my plan for Ethereum. Let's move on to some XRP. My beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing as of right now? Let's find out. XRP looking absolutely beautiful. She's being very flirtatious. She looks like the girl next door. You understand what I'm trying to say? She's like flirting with me, and I don't have any more money to take her out. You understand? I already spent everything. I bought all the fucking XRP I could, man. I got no more money. I got to get another goddamn job. I don't know what I got to do. Maybe I got to get a job on McDonald's or something, but I want to buy more XRP. I don't have any more money. I don't. I'm not going to refinance the house, although I'm being really tempted. But when I saw the goddamn rates for refinancing or buying a new house, I said, nah, don't. We're talking about, I think it was like 8% to mortgage your house. 8%. Bro, that's ridiculous, man. That is ridiculous. So absolutely not. AJ over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to you, AJ. Thank you for that follow over on the Twitch. AJ over on the Twitch channel saying, sorry, joined kind of late, but what's the plan? Buy more. Buy more XRP. That's the plan. AJ saying, since you want to work in McDonald's, I just want another job so I can buy more XRP. I got no more money, bro. All my money is in fucking XRP, bro. And I want to buy some more. God damn it. Can we just wake up one morning and XRP is at $1? Can we just do that? Can we? Can we just... Come on. Please? Anyway... So, XRP on the daily chart, moving to the upside. That is beautiful to see. So, let's figure out our Fibonacci levels. We have a low, we have a high, and we have a retest of the high. So, we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So, let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And there it is. This was your signal to getting in on some XRP. Okay. That's when we went in on our XRP trade. Okay. We caught that 618 action, and then it pumped out of fucking nowhere, which makes sense because there's a party, there's things happening in the XRP army as of right now. Today's the XRP party over in New York. Unfortunately, I couldn't go because I'm doing the haunted house, and I can't leave anytime soon. Not in October anyway. And they're doing a party. So people are driving traffic, driving momentum, driving money flow over to XRP. So there's a little pumpy pump that is happening right now. It's probably from the expectations of the party. They're going to have some announcements they're going to do for tonight. I don't know what those announcements are. I in no way, shape, or form do I know any of those people. Okay. But speculatively speaking alone, like I just saw that they found the support on the 618. And I knew that the party was right around the corner. So I'm like, you know what? There's probably going to be speculation. So we bought some more XRP, okay? We went in on this XRP trade, and we're making a beautiful 25%. We were at 37 when we started. We were at 37. Now it's 25. This is why it's so important for you guys to take your profits, okay? I mean, 25%, it's still beautiful. It's still amazing, okay? So XRP found the support on the 618. That's rule number one. Rule number two, did it break above the 382, the white line that I have right here? It broke. It broke above the 382. Now we need to close above the 382. So for the next few hours in tomorrow's candle, like around midnight, guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to be looking on this trade because if this fucker, the candle doesn't open above the 382, I'm taking the profits. Okay, I'm taking the profits because it's going to come back down to the 618. Sorry, to the 618. Okay, so I'm going to take the profits on the trade that I have open right now, and I'm going to come back in at 47 cents. Not saying that we are going to get to 47 cents, but if we do, I'm going to buy more XRP. Okay. If it does close above the 382, then my target price for XRP to take profits on this trade is 0.61514. So we got in at 47. We're getting out at 61. That trade is going to bank me about 30%. Times 5 because I have a 5x leverage. You see it here. I have a 5x leverage on this trade, meaning that whatever I can make, I multiply it by 5. So 30% times 5 is 150%. So this trade has a target take profit of 150% on this trade. I believe the size of this trade is $1,000. So $1,000 times 150%, it's 1.5 thousand. So I can walk away with a beautiful $2,500 on this trade. Okay, that's the plan. Not saying that we're gonna get there in no way, shape, or form, but it's looking kind of saucy and kind of flirtatious. She's looking like the girl next door. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You do what you got to do with that information. Completely up to you. You trade it however the hell you want to trade it. That's just how I'm gonna trade it. Okay. AJ over on the Twitch channel saying, well, good luck. Brother, you got to do what you got to do, brother. You got to. I'm actually even considering starting to drive for Uber. Uber in Puerto Rico is kind of big. I have a few friends who drive in Uber, and they're making bank. They're making bank, and they drive shitty-ass cars. It's Uber and Uber Eats in Puerto Rico. It's kind of big. It boomed, you know? So, just saying, I got to get another job. I got to do something because I want to buy more XRP. For the next bull cycle, forget about it. But that's just me, guys, you know? That's just completely me. You do whatever you want to do. I can just show you the door, but you got to walk your way into it yourselves, you know? We either go to the moon together or we crash and burn together. That's just I don't see it any other way. I either walk away a millionaire from this or I just die poor. There's just no in between, you know? Tito over on the TikTok channel saying, take a loan, buy XRP. No. Don't do that. No. Don't ever do any financing activities to buy any crypto, guys. Don't do that. Don't take out. This sucker can go to zero. And what are you going to do? You're going to owe the bank if it goes to zero? Then it's just no. Don't refinance your house. Don't sell your car. Don't take out a loan. Don't take out credit cards. Don't sell your wife. Don't sell your kids. I mean, you can do what you got to do, but don't do any of that. AJ Sag over on the Twitch channel saying McDonald's and Uber. Yeah, I could do both. I don't see why not. We could work a nice little 8-hour shift on McDonald's, and then on the rest of the night we can do some Uber and Uber Eats, and then I stream over here. And we buy more XRP. That sounds like a plan to me. That sounds like a great plan to me. Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying, that's why I stay single, because the girl next door is always juicy like XRP. I'm getting divorced, so my ex-wife pays me alimony so I can buy more XRP. I mean, those are all great plans, brother. Those are great plans. You do what you got to do. But those are great plans. Those are great fucking plans right there, brother. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying we got to stay positive. Absolutely. It's just no other way to live, brother. You cannot. There's no in between. There is no gray area. We either make it to the moon or we crash and burn. And the winner of this game is always going to be the guy who is more patient than the other guy. Okay, that's all about patience, giving it time. Don't sink into the news. Don't sink into the FUD. Let them talk whatever shit they want to talk about. It's completely up to them. You're going to stack up on your bags. You're going to refill those bags whenever it dumps. And then we wait for the next bull cycle. And we rinse and repeat for the remainder of our entire lifetimes. It is what it is. Craig over on the TikTok saying, can you please go over setting the fib? Is it trend-based or fib extension? It is a fib retracement. And the way that I identify Fibonacci retracements are by identifying three things: a low, a high, and a retracement of that high, a pullback on that high. So whenever we have a low, a high, and a pullback on the high, we have a shark fin formation. You see this? Like the shark fin? You know, the fin that the sharks have? That's a shark fin formation. This is your low, this is your high, and this is your higher low. Okay? That is where you're going to place your Fibonacci levels. Okay, you go to your Fibonacci tool, which is this one right here, the Fibonacci retracement, and you're going to click on the low, you're going to drag to the high, and you're going to buy on the pullback of that high, which is the 618. Okay. So you buy on the 618. Oh, and by the way, these are the settings. These are the settings for my Fibonacci tool. It is not the default one, okay, in no way, shape, or form. It does give you the same numbers, but it's just a little bit easier to understand, okay? So take a screenshot of this. If you can't see it over on the TikTok, head on over to my YouTube channel or my Twitch channel. It's a lot better quality over there. It's a bigger screen, so better quality over to my YouTube channel. And take a screenshot and make sure that you set your Fibonacci levels the exact same way that I have over here with the exact same colors. I mean, you can use whatever colors you want, but these are the colors that I use. Okay? Take a screenshot of this and set up your Fibonacci levels. In TradingView, you can set many Fibonacci levels, by the way. You can have different Fibonacci tools. You can put this one like SENSEI Fibonacci tool. Like, I don't know, whatever you want to name it. Okay. But this is the Crypto Sensei Fibonacci tool right here. This is how I set up my buy levels and my sell levels. My buy levels are the 618. My sell levels are the negative 382. Okay, so I buy here, I sell here. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, bro, how high do you see XRP around 2030? bro, I don't even know if I'm going to be alive by 2030. We're talking about, what, 7 years in the future? You know what? That's actually a fun game to figure out. We can actually figure that one out. Let me see. Let me go to the weekly on XRP just so I can zoom out. And can we identify the Fibonacci levels here? Yes, we can. Why? Because we have a low. We have a high. And we have a retracement of that high. Okay? So we have a shark fin formation. This shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. And what is XRP doing in the weekly charts with the Fibonacci levels? It found the support within the golden ratio. It broke above the 382. So what are we waiting for? The negative 382. To take our profits. If we bought at the last dumpy dump, that 17, 15, 12 cent XRP that was sold when the lawsuit came, if you caught it at that price ranges, your take profit on that trade is $49. So what am I saying over here? That there is a high probability that we're going to get $49 XRP for the next bull cycle if nothing goes wrong along the way, which, by the way, this should have been the price range on the last bull cycle, but then we got the lawsuit and it was all fucked up. Okay, so what I'm saying is that my target price, macro point of XRP, like super macro, 10, 15, 20 years down the line, 20, 30, is $50. $50. Okay, highly doable, highly possible, makes sense. Money flow, trillions of dollars can come into the crypto markets. They are going to come in the crypto markets. So $50 is not, it's not an impossible number. Okay. Actually, I have two target ranges, by the way. Not just $50, $261.23. Those are your Fibonacci levels. Those are your Fibonacci levels. That's all I got. That's all I got. $50 for XRP, $260 for XRP. And we're only talking about price ranges. We're not talking about technology. Okay. The ODL sector of XRP, using it for ODL, you have to have a high price of XRP to cover that transaction. So those numbers, not impossible. It's just a matter of when. And do you have the emotional and the mental capacity and maturity to hold on to your bags until we get to there? Knowing in the back of your head that it can go to zero. Yeah. Okay. There's always two sides. There's always two sides. It can go to 50. It can go to zero. Okay. On the hand, yes, I do have the mental capacity and the emotional maturity to hold on to my XRP until we get to $50, because that's the money that I'm willing to lose. It can go to zero. It can go to zero, and I don't care. I don't lose my house. I don't lose the rent. I don't lose the payment of my debts. You understand? This is not my retirement money. This is not my education for my kids' money. No, this is casino money. You know, this is casino money. I don't care if I lose it. But do rest assured that if it goes to $5, my trigger finger is going to start itching like crazy. Okay? Bruder Crypto over on the TikTok, Twitch, saying, what's your price for XLM? We're going to talk about some XLM. We're going to go there, brother. AJ over on the Twitch channel saying, I believe in McDonald's and $50. I'm going to have to get a goddamn job on McDonald's, aren't I, AJ? I'm going to have to do it. Because I need to buy more. I need to buy some more. Poe over on the TikTok saying, by when? That's one of the most impossible questions you can ever ask any trader, because we just don't know when this is going to happen. We know that there is a high probability that it will. We just don't know when. The timing the market is impossible. We can't do it. I can't give you it's going to happen that date. No, I don't know. I don't know, but I do know that there is a high probability that it's going to happen. I just don't know when. The when is the difficult part, brother. If I had a time machine, I would tell each and every one of you, but I just do not have it. All right, guys, and that is my plan for some XRP. Moving on to some XLM. Obviously, if we talk about some XRP, we got to talk about XLM. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. That was from previous live streams. What is happening with some XLM action? So on XLM, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on that high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. There we go. So what is your entry price for some XLM action? The 618. So when do you want to buy some XLM? 0.1108854. And let me tell you right now that when it comes to XLM, if it goes below 10 cents, you buy the absolute shit out of it. Doesn't matter what price it is. XLM less than 10 cents is your target price, is your holy grail. It's your fucking gold mine. Okay? If we can get XLM below 10 cents, I don't know what I gotta fucking do. I'll start cleaning windows. I'll do power washing the streets. Whatever it takes. Because we need to stack up on some more XLM if it goes below 10 cents. Okay? So when it comes to XLM, 10 cents, 10.88454 is your target price to getting in on some XLM action. Okay? That's my target price. 10.8854. Okay? All right. Moving on to some Dojo. Dojo. What the hell is Dojo? Let me do a little bit of research. CoinMarketCap.com. What is Dojo? Dojo. Okay, so Dojo, we have a max supply of 21 million. That's a very low supply. We have a market cap of $5,000. What? What? A volume of $5,000? We can't, because we can't trade it on any major exchange. This is a DeFi coin. Brother, this can't be right. $5,000 volume? So I can make a trade with $5,000 and drive this price up if I wanted to? Bruder Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying if it goes below 10 cents, I'm starting an OnlyFans. Oh, brother, you let me know. We could do feet pics, or we could do some ASMR. Have you seen those? We can do an ASMR OnlyFans with feet pics. I'm in. I'll do it. I'll do it. Hey, whatever it takes to buy more XRP and XLM. I do. I got no shame. I got no boundaries whatsoever. Crypto Sensei OnlyFans out featuring Bruder Crypto. Man, that could be big. That could be big. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. So Dojo is, Jesus Christ. This is no volume for Dojo, brother. Dojo is the first crypto project to combine a proof of work blockchain with a DAG block structure and wholly anonymous transactions. Existing privacy coins like Monero or Zcash. So Dojo is a privacy coin. Privacy coins are good, especially if you're in the dark. If you're in the dark web, you got to keep things private. You can use Monero, but Dojo looks like it's a privacy coin. But where do I trade this? It doesn't have. Well, I can go to CoinX. This just come out like today? Yeah, I think this came out today because the total supply is 18 million. It already has a market cap of about $54 million. Spot trading. I've never used this exchange, so I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. But let me see if I can search for some data. Yeah, look at this. Look at this volume, bro. There is no volume here. I can take $5,000 and pump this price. I can take $5,000. I can take $10,000, put $5,000 in a long, and then buy $5,000 on this coin, close it on the pump, and close my long. I don't know if I should have told you that. I don't think I should have told any of you that. So, Darrow. All right. So, for Darrow, we have a... Oh, let me go to the daily. Darrow looking kind of saucy, bro. Darrow looking very, very saucy. So for Darrow, we have a low, we have a high, we have a retracement of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. The shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. So let's draw out our beautiful Fibonacci levels. And where is your target price? You're getting in on some Darrow. Darrow is $2. 2.0899. So your target price, brother, to getting into some Darrow is $2.08. So start stacking up on some Darrow at $2. Okay, start stacking up on Darrow for $2. This is it looks saucy. It's just that the volume is so ridiculously low. There's no volume. I don't know why. I've never seen it. I've never seen a coin with such low volume that I can literally manipulate with very little amount of money. Anyway, Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel. Bro, look at Digibyte. Look at what it did in the last two bull markets. Huge pumps. Look at the full scale 2024 next pump. Absolutely. Yeah. There is zero reason why any coin shouldn't behave the exact same way from the previous pattern. That's what bull cycles do. They pump prices out of fucking nowhere and you just never know. Yeah. It's probably going to do the exact same thing. Maybe not to all-time highs if they get sued by the SEC. I don't know if Digibyte is being sued by the SEC. You can check that out. Can you Google that for me? Coins that are getting sued by the SEC are not going to see previous all-time highs because that's exactly what happened to XRP. But we are going to get a pump. Bull cycles pump everything. Everything. Moving on to some VThor. You guys wanted to talk about some VThor. Wait. Can I trade VThor on KuCoin? Okay, I'll use CoinX. So VThor. Okay, so for VThor, let's zoom in. Because on VThor, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on that high. So we have a shark fin formation, and we have a reverse shark fin formation. I'm going to give you guys 3 price actions for VThor. So for VThor, we have our entry price at... Oof, look at that. It bounced exactly on the 618. So my first target price for VThor is 0.00111554. Okay. And we have a reverse shark fin formation. So we have a reverse Fibonacci level. And I have two more price actions over here at 0. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 8, 8, 0, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 3, 4, 0. All right. So my target prices for some VTHOR action are these three price ranges right there. Take a screenshot of that. If you guys want to trade some VTHOR action, that's where you're going to want to start stacking up on some VTHOR. And then you hold on to it for the next bull cycle, 2025. Okay. November 2024. That's my trigger. November 2024. Casper. Let's talk about some Casper. Ooh. Casper still playing out the same scenario from the previous live stream. Nothing has changed. My target prices for Casper are still the exact same. We found that support on the 382. I don't believe we're going to see that 3-cent Casper, but if we are, you better start stacking up on some Casper. Because Casper looking saucy to the upside. My target price is all the way up here. You do whatever the hell you want to do with this information, guys, but Casper looking saucy. 0.06668. Ooh. That's a strange number. That's a devil number. So we get in at 3, we get out at 6. Potentially double our money. That's the Casper plan right there, guys. Casper! Moving on to some QNT. Some quant. Okay, let me zoom out. All right, guys. This was from previous live streams. I don't remember when we did this. It was quite a while ago. But these are still my target prices for quant right here. Okay? These are still my target prices for quant. And they look like they're going to be playing out real soon. 78, 67, and 54. Take a screenshot of that. That's where I'm going to start stacking up on my quant. Okay? Not saying that we're going to get there, but if we are, that's where I'm going to buy it, okay? Rod, big shout out to Rod over on the TikTok channel saying, I couldn't wait. I bought it again at 13 cents. You're talking about XLM? Yeah. Anything below 10 cents, brother, on XLM. Anything. It doesn't matter what price. You buy it at less than 10 cents and you hold on to it for the next bull cycle. Not financial advice. You do whatever the fuck you want to do. That's just how I'm going to do it, okay? Big D, big shout out to Big D. Where you been, man? It's all good. Get a big shout out to you, brother. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Let me get some water. I'm talking for an hour. Big shout out to my man, Big D. Thank you for that like. Big shout out to you. So, yeah, guys, those are my plans. Let me see what else we got here. What other coins you guys wanted to talk about? You wanted to talk about Rivian. But Rivian is a stock, right? Let me see if they have it on CoinMarket, on TradingView. Rivian. Is it Rivian Automotive? Is that the one that you wanted to talk about? Rivian Automotive? Let me know, brother. Rivian Automotive. Well, Rivian Automotive looking quite saucy to the upside, brother. It's looking quite good. It's looking real good. Well, let me see. Let me zoom in. I'm liking Rivian over here. So Rivian, we have a low, we have a high, and we have a pullback on the high. And we also have a high, a low, and a pullback on that low. So we have a reverse Fibonacci level. So we have 3 target prices for Rivian. Let's figure out what the first one is. My first target price for Rivian is $17. Oops. Remember that if we're talking about stocks, Forex, crypto, they all behave the exact same way. Actually, stocks and Forex is actually easier because there's regulations. People can't manipulate the price as easy as they can over on crypto. So there's less variables in the mathematical equation. So it's actually a little bit easier. Target price for some Rivian. If I wanted to buy some Rivian, I would buy it at $17. And Oops. That is not what I'm looking for. That is not what I'm looking for. No, no, no. It doesn't make it higher. No, 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 no. I'm going to give you guys two target prices for Rivian. 1557 and 1768. So if you guys were in the stocks markets, this is where I would buy some action on some Rivian. But Rivian looking quite saucy. I like it. I like this little cup and handle formation that is happening over on Rivian. Looking quite flirtatious. Looking quite good. Looking real good. And looking real good. Rivian, do what you got to do, guys. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, do you like Lune C? Is that Luna? No, bro. Fuck Terra Luna and all they stand for. Those fuckers took everything from me in the last bear cycle. And I don't go anywhere near Terra Luna. But if you guys want to talk about some Luna, we can talk about some Luna. In no way, shape, or form will I ever buy anything on Terra Luna. So when it comes to Terra Luna, I'm getting nauseous. When it comes to Terra Luna, if you absolutely 100% need to stack up on Luna, which I don't recommend, but if you have to, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Your target price for stacking up on some Terra Luna is that one. Quadruple 0, 322. Okay. But no, I am not a fan of Terra Luna. Never again. Never again. Craig Spiel over on the YouTube channel saying GLMR. GLMR. Is that a stock or is that a crypto? We can find out. GLMR. GLMR. Moonbeam. Moonbeam. This is bright as fuck. Thank you. Moonbeam. GLMR. What is Moonbeam? Moonbeam is an Ethereum compatible smart contract part of chain on Polkadot. Moonbeam makes it easier to use popular Ethereum developer tools to build and redeploy Solidity projects in the substrate-based environment. I didn't understand half of those words. Moonbeam is more than just an implementation. It's highly positioned in the presence of Ethereum. Extends the base Ethereum feature set with additional features such as on-chain governance, staking, cross, blah, 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 blah. It's just another fucking Ethereum coin. Total supply of 1 billion. Circulating 700. Volume has good volume, 28 million. All right, so let's look at that one. And we can trade it on all the majors. Yep, we can trade it on all the majors. GLMR. Let's talk about some GLMR. 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 All right. Ooh, so on Moonbeam, we had a little bit of a bouncy bounce. Okay, so GLMR. We had the little bouncy bounce. We have a low. We have a high. And we're going to pretend that there is going to be a reversal of that high. So let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. When do I want to stack up on some GLMR Moonbeam? Right here. So when it comes to Moonbeam, 20 cents is the way to go, brother. Okay? All right, Craig. 20 cents. That's my target price for GLMR Moonbeam. Okay? Okay. Rod over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Rod. I like PSNY better than Rivian. Never heard of it. C. Jones over on the TikTok saying Sol Thoughts. You want to talk about some Solana? We can talk about some Solana. Ooh. Solana, from my previous live streams, we talked about this a few weeks ago, hit my target price at $18. You would be in profits right now, my man. My target price was $18. And guess where we are right now? $20. That's a beautiful, beautiful trade to the upside. You would be in profits right now of about 11%. 11% times whatever leverage you're using. 5x, we're talking about 55% on your trade. That would have been beautiful, guys. Craig, cheers, mate. No, cheers to you, brother. Thank you for stopping by. A big shout out to you, Craig, over on the YouTube channel. Peace in the world. Big shout out to you, Peace in the world. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to the channel. Saying Filecoin. You want to talk about some Filecoin? We can talk about some Filecoin. Let me write it down on my beautiful notebook. Handy dandy notebook. Filecoin. Rod over on the TikTok saying, check PSNY. We can talk about some PSNY. Of course, we can talk about some PSNY. PSNY. User 59. Big shout out to you, User 59. Saying how's you think about Jasmine? We can talk about some Jasmine. We can talk about some Jasmine. I do recommend stacking up on some Jasmine for the next bull cycle. I remember that. Rod, Digital Ronin. Big shout out to Digital Ronin. How you doing, Digital? Howdy, brother. Am I late? About an hour and a half. But stick around, bro. You know how it is. I'm here, brother. You need whatever you need. Got me here for an hour of power. I am going to go get something to eat. I'm fucking starving. I'm thinking about some... Today's Friday, right? Today's Friday? Is today Friday? I don't even know what day I live in. Yeah, today's Friday. I'm thinking sushi. Should I go sushi or should I go tripleta? Should I go like a chicken sandwich? I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't know what I want. Rod over on the TikTok saying, I got sold at $9. You better fucking hold on to that $9 Solana, bro. You better hold on to that $9 Solana is gold. Gold. Forget about it. Next bull cycle. You got it at $9? Digital Ronin over on the TikTok saying, I'm still holding sushi, but you gonna be hungry an hour. I know, that's what I'm saying. I wanna like feel, because I know that if I eat sushi like 2 hours later, I'm gonna buy more food. I don't know, maybe I can go for some Puerto Rican Chinese food. I can do that. They serve a lot of fucking food. But I ate Chinese a few days ago. I don't know. I'm just tired. I'm just tired and hungry. It's been a long ass fucking week. And it's just gonna get longer. Fucking Halloween. Rod says steak. You actually want to? Oh man, some steak right now. I could go for some steak. A nice little steak with some tostones. Bruno Crypto over on the Twitch channel saying get the chicken. I could get the chicken and the steak. They have a little truck on where I live. There's a truck right in front of it, and they serve a sandwich with steak and chicken. Delicious. Like it's a heart attack waiting to happen. I could get that. Maybe I could get both worlds, you know? Chicken and steak. You know what? I think I'm going to do that. A chicken and steak sandwich with mayo, ketchup. Mayo and ketchup. That's it. Heart attack waiting to happen. I'm going to do that. D-Lock36, big shout out to you. D-Lock over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you. Birria. What does it mean when you say birria? AJ over on the Twitch channel saying go get it. McDonald's gonna pay for it eventually. Yep. Yeah. You ain't lying. You ain't lying, AJ. You ain't lying. Digital Ronin over on the TikTok saying, I think I'm gonna get Korean barbecue. Is there a Korean barbecue place here in Puerto Rico? I could also get Italian. I could go for some Italian too. There's a great spot here in Puerto Rico. It's called Pasta Spot. It's a little far from where I live, but it's well worth it. Pasta Spot. It's delicious. Digital Rodent over on the TikTok saying, "Oh, birria. What's birria? I don't know what that means, brother. What is birria?" Oh, birria tacos. They're tacos? Oh, there's a taco place. There's also a taco place over here. They sell like these exotic tacos. I don't even know how to even pronounce them. They have like different things. I could go for some fish tacos. Ooh, fish tacos. I could go for some fish tacos. I can do the fish tacos and the chicken and steak sandwich. I'm fucking starving. I'm fucking hungry. I'm really fucking hungry. All right, let's move on, guys, so I can go get something to eat. Filecoin. You guys wanted to talk about some Filecoin. We can look at some Filecoin. So Filecoin. Ooh. I think we talked about this one on the last previous live stream. Let's zoom in a little bit over here. We can talk about some Filecoin. Filecoin, we have a low. We have a high. We have a pullback on that high. And we have a high, we have a low, and a pullback on that low. So we have a shark fin formation and a reverse shark fin formation. Let's do our Fibonacci levels both ways so that we can see that it is trading below the 618. So now we have to do the reverse shark fin formation. So it is telling me that my target price to getting in on some Filecoin is $2.5648 and $2.3559. Okay. So when it comes to Filecoin, brothers and sisters, it is $2.50. $2.50. Okay. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying gandules. You know you gotta buy some. Oh my god, I would go for some gandules with like rice and pork. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying Chainlink. Yeah, we want to talk about some Chainlink. We could talk about some Chainlink. Let's look at some PSNY. PSNY. That's a stock. PSNY has a high, has a low, a retest of that low, and then a break back down to the downside. So it hit the target price. This is your target price. So when it comes to PSNY, let me see something. Let me go to the weekly. PSNY is just taking a beating, huh? Automotive holdings on... Yeah, the car industry is just not doing good at all. But let's figure out. Let's see what we can find here. Shit, I would tell you just right here. $2.16. That's the bouncy bounce area. That's where I would stack up on some PSNY. But PSNY it's just there's no love for PSNY. You know what? I kind of like Rivian better. The structure of the charts on Rivian was a little bit more solid. This one is just a bottom coin. That this bottom asset. It is just breaking all support to the downside. Just figuring out what the bottom is going to be. So my best bet is the bottom. $2.16. $2.16. That's where I would start stacking up with some PSNY. But I kind of like Rivian a little bit better. Digital Ronin over on the TikTok saying, I got a question. what's your thoughts on XM rig mining, or like what's a great coin to be mining at the moment? I'm not too big on mining, actually. I did some mining years ago. I had a little mini server that I had in my room, and it was mining Ethereum. But that was such a long fucking time ago. I don't do mining, but you can go to whattomine.com. If you go to whattomine.com, it's going to tell you what are the best mineable coins out there. At the moment, these are, man, there's none. None of them are actually profitable as of right now. You can see over here on the revenue area on the right side, it's negative. It is actually going to cost you money to mine these coins. Wow. So let's say, for example, I'm going to build a mining rig with, let's say that I have 4090s. This computer that I have here is a 4090. So let's say that I have a 4090 and I want to use it to mine whatever the fuck I wanted to mine. Okay. If I had a 4090, which is like the best graphics card out there at the moment, it is actually going to cost me money to mine that coin. It's going to cost me 40 cents to mine this coin, 49 cents to mine this coin, 50 cents to mine this coin. So there is no profitable coins to mine. So graphics cards mining it's a no-no. Mining, I just don't do mining. It's not profitable. I don't know why people want to keep mining. There's strategies and things that I can go into and find out, because there are coins that are mineable that are profitable. I'm just not too big into mining. I don't do it myself. Let me see what we got over here. I could mine Conceal. It makes me 9 cents a day. Nah. It's just not profitable, bro. It is not profitable at all to mine with a graphics card. Nah. If I would tell you, just don't mine. Stop. Don't even look that way. Just, I'd rather you buy the coin and hold on to it. Hodling a coin is a lot more profitable than mining right now. What you would spend in the mining rig, what you would like mine the actual rig, those thousands of dollars that a mining rig would cost you, just use it to buy a coin, whatever coin, hold on to it for the next bull cycle. That's what I would do. That's what I would do. It's just not, it's not profitable. It's not profitable. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying Casper mining is good. Casper rig, not PC. So, okay. Let's look at that. Casper mining. Where do I get where can I get a Casper miner? This one. Casper mining would make me, it would cost me, brother, it'll cost me $20,000. Are you shitting me right now? Bro, with $20,000, I would put it in a trading bot and it'll make me $100 and $200 a day. How much is I can't believe the price. This is no. Oh, by the way, if you're into mining, these two channels right here, best of the best. Red Panda Mining and Voscoin, they have so many mining strategies. Follow those people. If you want to get into mining, these two channels right here, highly recommend. They've been mining for years, and you can see all their rigs, like their entire house is full of different mining rigs and whatnot. It's ridiculous. But yeah, if you're into mining, follow those channels right there. Red Panda Mining and Voscoin. Okay. Crypto Dojo is not a mining channel. We don't do mining. I'd rather take those $20,000 and trade the absolute shit out of them. I'll make a shit ton more money than I would do mining. Jesus, $20,000. God damn. Would they? Like, I don't even know how much would this make me a day. Wow. Wow. Digital Ronin over on the TikTok channel saying, I've been big on Monero right now. Yeah, Monero is a great coin, especially if you're in the dark markets. If you need to send money from the dark web, Monero is the way to go. Roche over on the TikTok saying, yes, buy the coin. Absolutely. My experience, especially now that we're going into the halving, just buy Bitcoin on the halving. Take $20,000. If you're going to spend $20,000 on a mining rig, take $20,000 and put it into Bitcoin on the halving. Like right when the halving is going to happen, when the dump comes in, you see the dump on the mining, on the halving, just buy $20,000 worth of Bitcoin. It'll probably buy you a Bitcoin. Then to spend it on a mining rig. God damn, $20,000. This wasn't that expensive a few years ago. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying, is there a crypto market in the dark web? What the fuck? No, I don't know. I'm just saying. But I do know that when it comes to the dark markets on the web, the way that these criminals send money is through Monero. They use XMR because Monero is a cryptocurrency that is not trackable. They are untrackable privacy coins in crypto. You can send money from point A to point B, and nobody will ever find out. Not like Bitcoin and Ethereum, that if you send Bitcoin, you're going to have a transaction ID that is trackable back to you. So, no. I don't even want to talk about that because I don't dwell on no dark arts. None of that. I'm not interested. I make money legally trading crypto. Okay, let's just keep it legal. There's ways to make money the legal way, okay? I am him over on the TikTok saying, hey, Sensei, do you think Riot platforms will break below $7? Riot platforms? What the hell is Riot platforms? Riot platforms has a low, has a high, has a pullback on the high. So we have a shark information. Yes, I do believe it'll close below $7 at $6.66. Ooh, beautiful number right there, 666. That's my target price for Riot platforms, brother. If you're gonna start stacking up on some Riot platforms, it's a stock. I don't even know what the hell they do. I would do it at $6.66. Crypto Puppet over on the YouTube channel saying Casper mining is crazy right now, but it's for folks that can buy the rigs. Yeah. I believe you. I absolutely 100% believe you. But if I had $20,000 to spend on a mining rig, I would much rather buy Bitcoin in the halving. Whenever we get that mega pull that's going to happen on the halving, I just buy $20,000 worth of Bitcoin on whatever the price it is, and then I hold it for the next bull cycle. Because by the time the miner can mine back my investment, Bitcoin went up. I'm just saying it's a better strategy. But if you guys wanted to do mine, go right ahead. It's a fun process. I loved to do mining when it was profitable years back. Okay, when it was Ethereum mining, and I had this little server that I made myself with like Raspberry Pis. It was amazing. It was super fun. But it's not for making money. It's not for making money. If you want to make money, trade, hodl. Those are ways of making money in crypto. Okay. Let's look at some Jasmine. You guys wanted to talk about some Jasmine. All right. Ooh. So for Jasmine, we had exactly my target price hit on Jasmine. We're still waiting for this to play out. I don't have a target price as of just yet because it was right here. If you didn't catch it right there, that would be my target price. That's where I would stack up on more if you get a second chance. But it was right there. It was right fucking there. I don't remember when we talked about this, but it was right there. And it happened exactly. So for Jasmine, it's 0.002853. That's my target price for Jasmine. Okay. Let's talk about some Link. Let's talk about some Link, some Chain Link. Chain Link. All right, we talked about this on the previous live stream, I believe. Oh, yeah. So Chainlink is stuck in a range. We talked about this on the previous live stream. So if it's stuck within the range, this is sideways momentum. This stuck sideways momentum, you buy on the low, you sell on the high. You buy on the low, you sell on the high. So right now, it's a you don't sell. You buy down here. You buy 5.25. Okay. And you sell 9.377. Okay. It's stuck within that range. Okay. But that's beautiful because it gives you sideways momentum. Predictable sideways momentum. You buy at 5, you sell at 9. 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 Okay? Until this range gets broken through one way or another. Okay? Sooner or later, this is either going to break to the upside or it's going to break to the downside. But it's pretty much stuck right here. Okay? It's right fucking here. Buy at 5, sell at 9. Buy at 5, sell at 9. Okay? When it comes to Chainlink. Crypto Gambino, big shout out to Crypto Gambino over on the TikTok saying Caspa. Brother, we already talked about some Caspa action. Make sure that you rewatch this YouTube on my YouTube channel. Everything is being recorded on my YouTube channel so you can check out my price ranges. We already talked about some Caspa, okay? Big shout out to Big D. Thank you for that mustache over the hat and mustache over on the TikTok. Thank you so much for the support. Digital Ronin, big shout out to you. Thank you for that rose times 2. Thank you so much for the support. You don't have to, but thank you so much. Thank you for all those stickers, and thank you for the ice cream and the TikTok and the roses and all those right there. I'm gonna start doing the whole NPC thing like that. Have you seen these? Have you seen these women going like this and then they react to the stickers? Have you seen that shit? I'm gonna have to start doing some of that, and then the money that I make from TikTok, I put it on XRP, like that. Ooh, gang. No, you're not gonna catch me doing that. I'm not that desperate. I can do the OnlyFans, but I'm not gonna do the NPC. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. You're not gonna catch me slipping. Nope. All right, guys. I know. You know what this means. We come to the end of the stream. I don't want to go. I don't want to end it. I never want to end it. This is my therapy. But I got to get something to eat. I'm fucking starving, bro. I got to get something to eat. And I'm thinking I'm going to go do the chicken with the steak and the sandwich. And then I'm going to go get an acai bowl for the dessert. Bam! That's a fucking dinner right there, bro. That's a fucking dinner right there. All right, guys. Thank you all for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will stream again on Monday, 5. I can't give you the exact because I'm working on the fucking the haunted house. It really all depends on my energy levels, and we're building that shit from the ground up. So if you're in the Puerto Rico area, I highly suggest you come on over and visit me. I'll be in a haunted house from October 6th to October 31st. So if you're having a little bit of a planned trip over to Puerto Rico, come on over and visit the Crypto Sensei over in the haunted house. The haunted house is called I Dare You. Okay, let me see. I think they have a Facebook page. I don't remember my password. I don't really use Facebook like at all. I think this is the password. Yep, that's the password. Yeah, this is the haunted house attraction that I'm going to be participating. Okay, guys, it's a whole lot of fun. Last year we did great. There was like about 30,000 tickets. It was ridiculous. We had a whole lot of fun last year, and we're going to repeat again this year. Okay, so if you're in the Puerto Rico area, you want to come say hi, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, just ask around for the Crypto Sensei, and I'll probably find you. So yeah, guys, like I said, had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again on Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to try to come over on 5 p.m. Eastern. If not, make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms so you get notified whenever I do stream. Also, guys, remember that I do have a Discord. You can head on over to my Discord. I'm there 24 hours a day, every single day, and you can ask me any questions that you guys want, and you can become part of the community, and we have a lot of fun over there too. So again, guys, I highly appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you for your time. This is therapy for me, This is how I unstress. I unload all of my stress and all of my hard work, So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for this little hour of power. I'll see you again on Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern. Like, follow, and subscribe. God bless, and take care to each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I will see you again on Monday, okay? Take care, guys. God bless.